Ever wonder how a company, especially a fast-growing one, manages to keep its most valuable asset, its people, organized, engaged, and aligned with its overall goals? I mean, think about it. You've got recruitment, onboarding, performance reviews, payroll, benefits, training, and 1,000 other things happening all at once. How do you keep it all from descending into chaos? Especially when your business is scaling rapidly and needs to be agile. And what if you're using NetSuite, a powerful cloud-based platform designed to streamline business operations? How does HR fit into that ecosystem? Does NetSuite even have HR functionality? Or is it just for finance and inventory? These are the questions we're going to tackle today. We're diving deep into the role of HR within NetSuite, exploring how it empowers businesses to manage their workforce effectively and drive strategic growth. Now, before we jump into the specifics of NetSuite, let's take a step back and appreciate the evolution of HR. Traditionally, HR was often seen as a purely administrative function. Think paper files, manual processes, and a focus on compliance. But in today's dynamic business landscape, HR has transformed into a strategic partner, playing a crucial role in talent acquisition, employee development, and organizational culture. Companies are realizing that their people are their biggest competitive advantage. And to maximize that advantage, they need robust systems and processes in place. This is where technology comes in. Enter NetSuite. You might know it as a leading ERP enterprise resource planning solution renowned for its financial management, inventory management, and CRM capabilities. But NetSuite also offers comprehensive HR functionalities, often referred to as Suite People, which are designed to streamline HR processes and empower businesses to manage their workforce effectively. So let's break down the core role of HR within NetSuite. What does it actually do? First and foremost, NetSuite's Suite People acts as a centralized hub for all employee data. This means that all your essential employee information, from personal details and job history to performance reviews and compensation, is stored in one secure and accessible location. This eliminates the need for scattered spreadsheets and disparate systems, improving data accuracy and efficiency. Imagine the time savings alone. No more digging through physical files or trying to reconcile conflicting data from multiple sources. With NetSuite, you have a single source of truth for all your employee information. But it's not just about storing data. Suite People also empowers businesses to automate key HR processes. Take recruitment, for example. NetSuite allows you to create and post job openings, manage applicant tracking, and streamline the onboarding process. This frees up HR professionals to focus on more strategic initiatives, such as talent development and employee engagement. Think about the impact of a seamless onboarding experience. First impressions matter. With NetSuite, you can automate tasks like sending welcome emails, assigning training materials, and setting up employee access, ensuring that new hires feel welcomed and supported from day one. And speaking of training, NetSuite also facilitates employee development. You can use the platform to create and track training programs, manage certifications, and identify skill gaps. This allows you to invest in your employees' growth and ensure that they have the skills they need to succeed. Performance management is another critical aspect of HR, and NetSuite provides tools to streamline this process. You can set performance goals, conduct regular reviews, and provide feedback, all within the platform. This helps to foster a culture of continuous improvement and ensure that employees are aligned with the company's objectives. And let's not forget about payroll. NetSuite integrates seamlessly with payroll systems, simplifying the process of calculating and processing employee salaries. This reduces the risk of errors and ensures that employees are paid accurately and on time. Beyond these core functionalities, NetSuite also offers features for managing benefits, time and attendance, and employee self-service. This empowers employees to access their own information, submit time-off requests, and manage their benefits, reducing the administrative burden on HR. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how does it actually benefit my business? Well, the benefits are numerous. By streamlining HR processes, NetSuite helps to improve efficiency and reduce costs. It also enhances data accuracy, reduces the risk of compliance issues, and empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions. Moreover, NetSuite helps to improve the employee experience. By providing employees with easy access to their information and empowering them to manage their own tasks, It fosters a sense of ownership and engagement. And in today's competitive talent market, a positive employee experience is crucial for attracting and retaining top talent. But perhaps the most significant benefit of NetSuite is its scalability. As your business grows, NetSuite can grow with you. The platform is designed to handle increasing volumes of data and transactions, ensuring that your HR processes remain efficient and effective. Think about the long-term implications. As your company scales, you need a system that can adapt and evolve. NetSuite provides that flexibility, allowing you to streamline your HR operations and support your growth trajectory. Now, let's address a common question. How does NetSuite's HR functionality integrate with the rest of the NetSuite platform? This is where the real power of NetSuite lies. Because it's a unified platform, all your business data is integrated. This means that your HR data is seamlessly connected to your financial data, your inventory data, and your customer data. This integration provides valuable insights that can help you make better business decisions. For example, you can analyze employee performance data alongside financial data to identify areas for improvement. You can also use employee data to personalize customer interactions. This holistic view of your business is a key advantage of using NetSuite. It allows you to break down silos and create a more cohesive and efficient organization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.